Watch this cat get saved from a fire by this firefighter.
The cat is still inside. She ran when the fire started.
What's her name?
Ember.
I'll bring Ember out.
Please. Thank you.
Monitoring structure for feline rescue.
Ember! Come on, girl. Where are you? Hang on, I'm coming.
Ember, stop! Hey, back here! Easy, girl, don't go in there!
I've got you. You're safe. She's okay.
If you're enjoying this, hit that like button and subscribe for more just like it. And don't forget to tap the bell so you never miss an update.